Hello students, welcome to online school. We are going to sing the poem of Standard 4th from the book My English Book 4. And the name of the poem is Raindrops. So let's start. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter down the window pane. Tell me, little raindrops, is that the way you play? Pitter patter all the rainy day. I sit here at the window, I have nothing else to do. Oh, I wish that I could play this rainy day with you. The little raindrops cannot speak, but pitter patter pat means we can play on this side. Why can't you play on that? Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter down the window pane. Pitter patter down the window pane. Now students, read aloud the following sound words. You all repeat after me. Pitter patter. Tring tring. Zoom zoom. Bow wow. Ding dong. Beep beep beep. Wah wah wah. Now, what other words come to your mind on reading each word? Write them down. Example, pitter patter. Students, what other words come to your mind on reading each word given below? That is rain, raindrops, water, small, fall, cool, etc. Students, now you all sing the poem. And if you like the poem, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications of further poem. Thank you.